So iplicit and Crezco have launched an integration, and Crezco have got form for this because, of course, they've done this in the past with Xero. And effectively, what they're doing is iplicit are now using Crezco's API to bring embedded payments into their platform. And this comes at the same time as iplicit have literally just rolled out a whole new branding scheme as well and everything else. So they've gone through a bit of a rebrand to sort of modernize their look and things, which looks really cool. But effectively now you've got this product called iplicit Pay, which is Crezco powered in the background, allows you to pay suppliers in one go. It allows you to schedule payments in advance. You can delegate approvals without having to share bank access, which is always very important and particularly challenging maybe for larger mid-sized businesses that will be using a product like iplicit. And you can track payment status in real time, which is obviously really important as well when you're kind of like managing either the ledgers on both sides, or maybe even if you're a little bit more complex and you have somebody fully managing the cash function in the business. So yeah, all there, ready to go, live in the product. And if it's as seamless as the experience you had when Xero did this with Crezco in the past, then I'm sure it'll be an absolute winner.
This is huge. This is great. Crezco positioned them as the silent infrastructure to quite a few partners now. There was one where I thought, I wonder where they've gone actually, because it was super loud in the accounting space. It's been very like direct to accountants. I remember seeing, people wearing the swag everywhere. And then suddenly it was just like they dropped off a cliff. And, there's always that worry as soon as that happens that maybe that app, maybe that tech is about to disappear. But what I really like is they must have at some point recognized their go-to-market metrics and just said, okay, this doesn't quite work for us. We'll be the silent infrastructure. Let's get deeply partnered with a handful of strategic alliances. And then they're doing the same again with iplicit, who are on a winner at the moment. And quite literally on a winner. They've won multiple awards over the course of the last year, and they're proving that the mid-market really does exist. So it's great. Great news.